Hello guys and welcome again to my YouTube channel May Fine Art, and today's episode is our Brussels trip. Yes, me, my son and my friend are going to Brussels, and we are walking from our house, and while waiting to make this bridge go down because one boat is just passing by. So we just need to be patient and wait. So guys, I hope that you will like this vlog, and for those who are not yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe and also comment, and I will check it later, okay? So enjoy and watch this video. Thank you. Hi Noah. Hello Tita.
Hello, Granny.
Happy to me.
Hier moet je lopen.
Ja?
Ja.
Happy to show me.
Zie de kraan.
Mooi hè? Dadah.
Ik zie de hele bomen.
Ja. Veel. Ze zijn hoog hè?
Ah. Oh, een plafond.
Dat is plafond.
Maar hier moeten wij ook slapen nakjes.
Huh?
Hier moeten wij ook slapen nakjes.
Je kan hier slapen.
Hierboven? Of hier beneden?
De oude trein.
Ja, dat is een Werkmannentrein.
Brussel Noord.
Goedemiddag, ik ben nu de trein met bestemming Brussel en Beige. In Brussel gaan onze trein stoppen in Brussel Noord, Brussel Centraal, Brussel Zuid en vervolgens dus doorrijden richting Beige.
Hello guys, so we are now heading to the capital of Belgium, Brussels, and we will go to the Mannequin Piece, the famous Mannequin Piece. This remains the emblem of the rebellious spirit of the city of Brussels, and his wardrobe counts more than 900 suits. So this is a very interesting monument to see in Brussels. So allow me to tell you a little bit of the history of Mannequin Piece. Mannequin Piece was at first a fountain that played an essential role in the former distribution of drinking water since the 15th century. The system was well known in all of Europe. Towards the end of the 17th century, the statue became more and more important in the city life. It was also a survivor of the bombardment of Brussels in 1695. Mannequin Piece became a precious good and enjoys a ceaselessly growing glory. During big events, we adorn him with luxurious clothes. We know that in the 18th century, Mannequin Piece was dressed at least 4 times a year. Since he lost his main function in the network of water conveyance of a city in the 19th century, Mannequin Piece gradually became an image and symbol of Brussels folklore, the joy of the inhabitants and their capacity of self-mockery. So we are currently in the Grand Place. This is the Grand Place or the Grand Square or the Grote Markt, that is in the Dutch word. meaning big market. This is the central square of Brussels, Belgium. It is surrounded by opulent Baroque guild halls of the former guilds of Brussels and two larger edifices. The city's flamboyant town hall and the neo-Gothic King's House or Bread House building, containing the Brussels City Museum. The square measures 68 by 110 meters and is entirely paved. The Grand Place construction began in the 11th century and was largely complete by the 17th. In 1695, during the Nine Years' War, most of the square was destroyed during the bombardment of Brussels by French troops. Only the facade and the tower of Town Hall, which served as a target for the artillery, and some stone walls resisted the incendiary balls. The houses that surrounded the Grand Place were rebuilt during subsequent years, giving the square its current appearance, though they were frequently modified in the following centuries. From the mid-19th century, the square's heritage value was rediscovered and it was thoroughly renovated. Nowadays, the Grand Place is the most important tourist destination and most memorable landmark in Brussels. It is also considered one of the world's most beautiful squares and has been a UNESCO World Heritage Site since 1998. The square frequently hosts festive and cultural events, among them in August of every even year, the installation of an immense flower carpet in its center. It is also a center of annual celebrations during the Christmas and New Year period. And Christmas tree has been erected annually in the square since the mid-20th century. This site is served by the Premetro underground tram station, Bourse on lines 3 and 4, as well as the bus stop Grand Place Gotemark. It is a very nice place to visit for you all here in Belgium. If you are in Brussels, you should never forget to taste their famous Belgian waffle. And you can also buy some souvenir items along the way in the centrum, but make sure that your child will not break it. There is also a very unique hotel along the way, and that's the Mozart, and they have this very nice decoration oriented ceilings, walls, and also a very nice piano where my son also enjoyed trying to be the next famous pianist. But anyway, we enjoyed our experience. You can also enjoy just relaxing in the terrace, or they name this here terrace, and you can drink some hot chocolate or cappuccino while listening to the nice music in the background. And you can also order some of their famous frites, or the Belgian French fries. No, it's just the Belgian fries. Yes, because they will be very angry if you will name it French fries, because here it should be Belgian fries. So guys, we enjoyed our day out and it's time to go back to our city, Mechelen. So we ride a train and we're all tired of our day out. So thank you so much everybody for watching this vlog, our day in Brussels. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.